Hello everyone, congratulations! Woo! Okay, wisdom the scales, we're done with all the majors. So today, 7 sharp, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And which one is that? It's C flat major, and you know it, and I'm happy, and you are so good. So C flat major, all are flats, all flats. C flat, D flat, E flat, F sharp, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. All are flats. So this is enharmonic with B major. So B major, you play exactly the same thing. So if you don't know that one, go and check that tutorial as well, because it's exactly the same thing. We just name it flat in this time. So B major, you will have it in the description as well, the link, so you can find it easy. If not, go to the playlist and you'll find it there as well. B major, that was B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Right now it becomes C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, exactly the same thing. So I'm not gonna stay too long because you already know how to play it. Left hand will start with finger number 4. So I'm doing here just for those that they did not see that tutorial. So C flat, D flat, E flat, E, and then number 4 here on G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. So right now both hands. So watch carefully. For those that they did not see my other tutorial on the B major. If you want to go to octaves, you turn number 3 there. Here. Okay, so you're gonna practice lots of time going up and then lots of time going down and then up and down. Alright, so my tip is when I don't really memorize, what I did 3 or 4, but when the left hand comes, and it's a group of 3 black keys, it must be number 4. It cannot be different. I think I explained that as well. On the right hand going up, as a tip, after each black key, you will have a number 1. And then you move on, and then number 1. Number 1. So when you practice going up, you only think left hand, and the right hand, it just, that after each black key, the thumb is gonna go under. Doesn't matter if it's number 3 or number 4. After you finish the group of 2, it's number 1. Finish group of 3 is number 1. Finish this is number 1. The left hand though, you gotta pay attention where in the scale you are. Number 4 left hand. And then number 1, it must be 1 here, right? Number 3 left hand. Now, when you're going down, you're not gonna think of the left hand anymore because it will be black key number 1, 2 black keys number 1, 3 black keys number 1. Right? You're gonna think of the right hand going down and then a group of two black keys is gonna be number 3, and then 3 black keys number 4, two black keys number 3, right? So let's go. And then 3 here, and then 4, and then 3. Going again. 3 and 1, number 4. Am I going too fast? I hope you can go and see my other tutorial with, as I said, B major, because as I said, it's exactly the same playing, so that's why I'm not going that slow. But anyhow, so watch that one. This would be C flat major. And faster. Did I do something wrong? Did I went too fast for you? Okay, so I am so happy we did it together, all the major flats. So guess what? Next tutorial I'm gonna start with minor flats that actually they're pretty easy. Right? We will have 7 minor flats, 1 flat, 2 flat, 3, that they are relatives of the majors. So congratulations, you made it, and I'm so proud of you. So go and practice right now, and see you in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, and definitely then click on all. That means you'll be notified every time I'm uploading a new video, and I have a lot to upload. Okay, so thank you so much, and we did it. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.